Good day and welcome to Habit Like EdTech. Today we are looking at the topic of resistor in series and in parallel. Now this is a circuit diagram. This is point A and this is point B. Look at this circuit diagram. It is an open circuit because a voltage is not connected between point A and point B. And we were asked to find the total measured at point A and B in the diagram above. Now, what does that mean? It means we need to find the total measured at point A and B. Now, how do we find it? This is a circuit, a mixed circuit that consists of a parallel and a what? And a series, a parallel and a series connection. Now, how do we solve questions like this? The first thing is that we need one assumption here. And what is that assumption? Now, let us try to connect a voltage across the terminal point A and point B. Now, if a voltage is connected between the terminal of point A and point B, this is a voltage now. A voltage is connected across this terminal A and B. We will discover that a current will flow through the 1 ohms resistor because a voltage is connected between point A and B. So a current will flow through this resistor, and when it reaches here, this is a node, or we call it a point, or we call it a junction. Now, when it reaches here, now the current flowing from here, which is I, when it reaches here, it breaks and it flows through this place. So it flows this through 3 ohms, and when it reaches this point also, it flows to the other side and also flow to this other side. Now the same current also flows across these 2 ohms, these 2 ohms, and these 2 ohms. So we discover that these 2 ohms and these 2 ohms and these 2 ohms, they are all connected in series. They are all connected in what? In series. The 2 ohms, the current flowing from here to here is connected in series. But this question does not have a voltage that is connected between point A and B. So we can just clean up this place now. But we can know as a result of that explanation that these 2 ohms, and 2 ohms are connected in what now? In series. So let us find the combination, the resistance combination. So since these 2 ohms, these other 2 ohms, and these other 2 ohms are connected in series. So that is R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And that is R equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2 in ohms. Then I'll give me R equals to 6 what now? 6 ohms. So this equals to what now? 6 ohms. Now, since I have that now, I will need to redraw my circuit diagram. Then I will have something like this. Remember, this is my point A and this is my point B. Then remember that this and this is now 6 ohms. So from here, it comes like this. So here I will have here as my 1 ohms. Here I will have here as my 3 ohms. And here I will have here as my 1 ohms. And here I will have here as my 6 ohms. Now, this is the new cycle diagram now. Now, with this, I can say that this and this are connected in parallel. So 3 ohms and 6 ohms are in what? Are in parallel. And I will need to find the resistance combination. That is R, since they are connected in parallel. So let me say this is my R1 and this is my R2. So this will be R1, R2 over R1 plus R2. Then I have R equals to, my R1 is what? 3 times 6 over 3 plus what? 6. And that will give me 18 over 9. That will give me R equals to 2 what now? 2 ohms. Now, if I have that as 2 ohms, so what I will need to do is that, then this one will give me, let me withdraw my circuit again. I will have this connected to this. Then this and this has become what now? 2 ohms. So I will have something like this. So this is my A and this is my B. This is my 1 ohms and this is my 1 ohms and this is also my what now? My two ohms. So now I need to find, according to the question, what is the total measured at AB? So I want to find the total resistance between A and what now? And B. So therefore, the total resistance AB equals to, now look at this. These three resistors are connected in what? In series. They are connected in what? In series. Remember the illustration I gave here. The same current flows through this 1 ohms, flows flows through these 2 ohms, and also flow through this what? 1 ohms. So therefore we have R1 plus R2 plus what? R3. Then I have AB equals to 1 plus 2 plus 1 in what? In ohms. Then I have AB equals to 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. That is what now? 4 ohms. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to Abilite EdTech, and remember to share, remember to like, and remember to comment. Thank you and God bless you.